Samsung is launching the S26 series on 25th of February 2026. And Samsung traditionally reserves its latest software version, in this case One UI 8.5, to debut alongside its newest flagship hardware. Meaning, older models typically wait until after the new phone hits the shelves to receive the upgrade. However, recent leaks from tech insiders on X suggest a potential break in this long-standing tradition. Reports indicate that the stable version of One UI 8.5 might arrive by end of this month or as early as February. Now, we are already on 8.5 beta 3 and the beta 4 is expected anytime next week, so it has reached an advanced stage already. And the Galaxy S26 series launch is another 1 month to go, and the phones will be available to everyone from 11th of March. So there is at least about 40 more days to go. So that's a pretty long time. And if these rumors prove true, the S25 users will get the One UI 8.5 probably in the next 3 to 4 weeks. But take this information with a pinch of salt. This is just a rumor or a leak. Samsung might make us wait till the launch of the S26 series, or even till they make the devices available to the public. Next, Samsung is expected to launch the voicemail feature and the all-new Bixby integrated with Perplexity AI in the next beta. We have already seen how the all-new Bixby with Perplexity works. It is going to be something similar to Gemini, and it is going to be an alternative to the Gemini application. And the voicemail feature, that is just an incredible feature which we saw when we got our hands on the test builds of One UI 8.5. Now, if you are not familiar with voicemail feature on Samsung, here is a quick demo of that. Now, let me first show you where exactly this feature is, and then I will demonstrate it and show you guys how exactly this works. Now, let's go to the phone application here. I'll tap on this ellipsis button and go to settings. You can see we have got direct voicemail right here. We have the other features as well: text call, live translate, record calls, call captions, and then comes the voicemail. Let me tap on this. You can see I have already enabled this. It says when you are unable to answer, allow the caller to leave a voice message. You can send calls to voicemail from the more option menu. Let me swipe up for more options. And here we have got direct voicemail option. Now I can tap on direct voicemail.
The person you're trying to reach isn't available. Please leave a message at the tone. When you finish talking, you may hang up.
Hi, I want to talk to you urgently. Can you call back, please? Now here you can see whatever the other person is saying, that is being transcribed as well. And if you want, while he's on the call, if you want to answer the call, you will be able to do that as well. Now let me just disconnect the call. Now let me show you where is this voicemail. Let's go to the recent calls. Now you can see this symbol over here. This shows there is a voicemail. This is a small tiny icon you can see. This is the voicemail icon. Let me tap on this. And here you can see it says voicemail. Urgent call transcription and answering capabilities. So let me just tap on this. Yeah, here we go. This is the voicemail. And the thing is, we also have the AI integration over here. You can see we have got this summarize option right there on top, which is pretty cool. Here, whatever the other person has said is in the form of text. And you can also play the audio here. Hi, I want to talk to you urgently. Can you call back, please? See whatever the other person is saying. And this is how you can hear the voicemail. And if you want to summarize it, you can just tap on the summary, tap on OK, and you will get to see that summary of that particular conversation. Need to talk urgently and requesting a call back. During the call, the other person's speech is transcribed. I have the option to answer the call. So this is all that I just spoke on the call. That's being summarized over here. And we also have this copy option right here. That's voicemail feature for you guys, and I really hope Samsung releases this in next beta, but I still have my own doubts. This feature and the all new Bixby with Perplexity integration might arrive on the S26 series. I'm not very sure about that. Let's hope that this comes in beta 4. Now let's talk about the eligible devices to get the One UI 8.5. Right from S21 FE, we are going to get the update for the S25 series. Then we have got Z Fold 4 and Flip 4 up to Z Fold 7. We have got these A series, F series and M series phones. You can pause the video and check out the list here. We have got the X Cover series and the Tab series of phones which are eligible to get One UI 8.5. And this is not a minor upgrade. Even though this is still based on Android 16, we have got some incredible features on this update. We have got a modular quick panel which can be customized. We have got a huge visual and design changes, 3D depth effect icons, pill-shaped navigations, and a very smooth looking UI. We have the all-new continuous photo assist features. We've got a brand new quick share, partial screen recording feature, storage share feature which is quite interesting. We will now be able to access the storage from another Galaxy phone on the primary device. We can now create a shortcut for a connected Smart View device for a quick access, audio broadcast, an all-new lock screen with more adaptable clock, new power saving features. We've got a brand new revamped DeX with some new features. All the Samsung system applications like internet application, calculator, reminder, clock, calendar, all these are upgraded on One UI 8.5. We have failed authentication lock on theft protection, auto blocker timer, enhanced privacy protection, and many more cool new features which we have already discussed on this channel. So this is a major upgrade we are getting, and let's hope these leaks are true, and let's hope we are going to get the stable version of 8.5 in early February or mid-February before the launch of the S26 series. Let me know your thoughts, and if you want to stay updated with everything that is happening with your device, be sure to subscribe to the channel and become a part of Apex community. I will keep you guys posted about all these leaks and rumors, the new updates, the new features, and a lot of tech related content. So go ahead, subscribe, and don't forget to download our wallpaper application Volverse. There are some beautiful collections available. That's about it. Thanks for watching. You guys take care and stay safe. I'll see you in the next one soon. Cheers. Bye-bye.